in this lecture, we are going to see the errors that you might encounter while analyzing your image set. So first error that we are going to see, although it's not an error, but it is a situation where you do not find any moving object, any new moving object, and there are no known objects also present in the image set. In this case, how do you generate the MPC report? So we are going to see how we will generate an MPC report if we do not find any new moving object and there are no known object available in the image set. So in this case, for example, the image set that I have right now, this image set does not have any moving object, new or already known. So what I'll do is I will click on any object. For example, I'll select this, I'll click on this, and I will run the object verification like I usually do for a new object or an already known object. Okay. I will not change anything. I'll just hit on accept. Once I've done that, I will go to files, view MPC report file, and I will copy this MPC report. Okay. I'll copy this in Notepad or Word, whichever is comfortable for you. Once I have done that, once I've copied it, what I'll do is I will erase or delete this particular line. Okay, this is the line where we have registered or marked the object, any object. So I'll erase this line or delete this, and I will enter over here after 4 spaces, no moving object detected. After that, I will copy this and paste it on the MPC site. Select the image set and then hit on submit report. Now, since I have already submitted this particular image set, I will not click on anything, but this is how you are supposed to generate the MPC report and submit the MPC report in the case where there are no moving objects present. Okay, so this was one error situation where you have to generate this MPC report in this way. Now,